Hey there, Sir EJ here. In this video, I will show you how to log into your G Suite account on the browser, and I will also show you the basic parts of the browser. The browser that we will be using today is Google Chrome. Chrome is also the recommended browser to use for BDS kids since it is the most compatible when using Google Apps. To start off, simply click on Google Chrome and go to google.com. Log into your account by clicking the Sign In button on the right side of your browser. Input your G Suite email address and password to log in. After this, you will be redirected back to google.com. Now, I will be discussing the parts of the browser. We'll start at the top right. You will see three buttons: the close button, the maximize button, and the minimize button. Down below, you'll find three dots, which is the options button for Google Chrome. Next is the address and search bar. It is the long bar on the top side of the browser. This is where you can type in the URL of a website, or you can type here what you wish to search. Right next to the bar is the refresh button that will refresh the tab if you click on it. Last is the back and forward button, which is used to navigate through websites visited. Always remember to make sure that the email address that is logged in is the one that was given by the school. Sometimes there are cases that your personal Google email address is synced to the Google Chrome browser. This will confuse your child if the screen will ask to manage accounts. We advise you to make the G Suite email address your default email address to avoid any conflict or issues. So that's about it. Feel free to explore the Google browser and apps on your own, or watch our other video tutorials to learn more from us. Thank you and have an awesome day.